Okay, you should have a highlighter and a pencil. Please be sure to pause and rewind if you need to. Number 1, which one of these statements is not true about sound waves? Sound waves, A, travel fastest through gases. So ask yourself, do sound waves travel fastest through gases? Yes or no? B, cannot travel in a vacuum. Can sound waves travel through a vacuum? So this says cannot travel through a vacuum. If that's true that they cannot, you would put yes. It's true that they can. And you would put no. C, are produced in different ways in various types of musical instruments. Yes or no? D, are called compression waves or longitudinal waves. Is that true about sound waves? Yes or no? Number 2, what type of rocks would you find if you explored around the base of this volcano? A, metamorphic, B, sedimentary, C, igneous, D, golden. Number 3, Roy is having a hard time seeing all of the colors of the rainbow. He sees the red, orange, and yellow, but not the other 4. Help him by coloring the rest of the colors on the rainbow. So you can pause this and color. You can also label them with the names. Analogies. A, pounds are to ounces, as kilograms are to B, temperature is to degrees, as is to centimeters. C, percussion is to drum, as string is to D, mirror is to reflection, as water is to Number 5, a compound is formed when A, one substance is dissolved into another substance. B, 2 or more elements are combined. C, 2 or more substances are combined, but each substance maintains its own physical properties. D, molecules are broken down into atoms. All right. Turn your page. I am really sorry that this is blurry, but yours isn't. So, number 1, the first part you can omit, okay? There was a spark when I touched the closet doorknob, and I felt an electric shock in my hand. Why did this happen? We're going to just answer the second part here, and this is under SOL 4.3. You may now use your resources if you need them. What is this called? Number 2, right? True T or false F? A, the moon is a small planet which orbits Earth. B, the moon's surface is rocky and dry. C, there is no atmosphere on the moon, which means that there is no air to breathe. Picture those astronauts up there. D, the surface temperature of the moon is steady and moderate. That means it doesn't change much and it's not real severe. That's in 4.8. Use your resources. Number 3, which of these would you measure using milliliters? A little bucket, looks like a medicine cup or something. Milliliters. Number 4, identify the levels of the pyramid. Okay, so down here is level 1. Is that going to be omnivores, decomposers, carnivores, producers, herbivores? Okay, so whatever would come first in that food chain is going to go next to level 1 in your blank. Take a look at level 2. You have like a little deer and a bunny rabbit. Okay, it's like a cow of some sort. What is level 2? Omnivores, decomposers, carnivores, producers, herbivores. Level 3, I see here a person, a skunk. What are we? Level 4. And then level 5 is going to be like your mushrooms and like worms. What do they do? So put them next to the levels. Little number 2, circle the organisms that belong on level 1. So whatever you chose down here for level 1, if you thought that was herbivores, you're going to want to circle herbivores. If you thought it was producers, circle producers over here. If you thought it was decomposers, circle decomposers. Number 3, what is the source of energy for level 1? And honestly, it's the source of energy for everything. Please go to 4.5 if you are not sure. All right. Thank you very much. Put it in my inbox when you're done.